Here we are at Parndon Mill Lock, and we're just going to start walking upstream to find the wildflower meadow. So here we go. Here we go. Mind the steps. Say I falling over. Now this is the old mill race for Parndon Mill. Parndon Mill that at one time used to stand here. Right, here we are at the wildflower meadow. And have a walk round. There should be some paths mown. Here's a lot of knapweed and such like on bloom. We'll have a walk up and have a look at the notice board. And this is the notice board telling us all about the wildflower restoration.
If I'd thought, I'd have brought some fritillary seeds and spread about.
It's what, sorry?
If I'd thought, I'd have brought some fritillary seeds.
Yeah.
The snake's-head fritillary, I've got them growing in the garden, but they're quite fussy where they grow.
And these are the large mats of Canadian pondweed with algae. But dragonflies nevertheless.
There's the old balsam.
Yeah. And this here, this one here, this is the Indian balsam. The other one's Himalayan balsam, this is Indian balsam. And they're the white park cattle doing conservation grazing. It looks like they've got quite a lot of conservation grazing to do.
More teddy stout.
Yeah. We're going to interrupt this man again, look. We've already interrupted him once. We're going to interrupt him again. Sorry, we're going that way. Sorry, we're interrupting your morning for you. Right, so this is the start of the Parndon Moat Marsh Nature Reserve. There we are. Here's the moat. Yeah. There wasn't an ice near board. I mean, Harlow Council's good like this, you know. This is where it curves round here, but it's a substantial body of water. It looks like it's been cleaned out or something. I don't know.
Stay here.
Looks like water on the Nose Pier.
Don't know if we're going to get along with it, Bob.
We can manage, Mark. One way or the other, I think. Ooh.
Oh, there you go, there are a couple of stores out there.
Yeah, well, I think it's probably pretty well on the level with the river.
Much of a pond at the moment.
No. They're quite soft, isn't it? Not too bad.
Bang.
And turn very carefully right. Oxeye daisy. Oh, there's a crane's bill here. I'm not sure which crane's bill that is. How do they? I think this is where the walk ends.
Right.